All right, here we are today at the Cleveland 4x4 show and expo. So we're going to have a look around. We're going to talk to a few people and see what's cool here today. Let's go. Are we liking these, Andy?
Not too shabby, eh?
So here at the Outback Tour stand, I'm looking at their rooftop tents. They don't look too bad at all. I think they're pretty lightweight as well. I think they've just brought out a brand new, really lightweight one, so be keen to find out more about that. So we're here with Matt from Sun's Adventure and 4x4. Now, Matt's everything about lightweight camping.
Pretty much so, yeah.
I've already immediately saw these straps. I love a good bungee strap. So, Matt, talk us through what you do.
Well, pretty much we're all, Sun's Adventure 4x4 are all about lightweight and making camping a little bit easier. So we sell lightweight camping gear that you can set up and start your adventure. So pretty much we've got the bungee straps here. These ones are here for your barrel awnings. So it wraps around your awning barrel for the wind to move. And then we got the ones here for your T70 awnings, for your cars and for your privacy screens as well.
Yeah, nice.
So it's all about allowing the wind to let the awnings move without being too rigid to break.
I really like that. I'm gonna get some off you later on.
No worries, mate. Come see us.
Thanks for that.
All right, so in here is where the pump lives. That is your pump. Just plug it in with the USB that we provide to charge it up. Place the pump back in there, hit start. That's now inflating the load bladder, okay? So to inflate the top part, take your pump out, grab out your fittings, take the middle fitting, place on the back of the pump, remove the top part of the valve. That reveals a one-way valve in there, so air goes in, doesn't come out. Place in there, pump up the top bit, all right? Like I said, it is fine to take it in the pool or go floating down the creek. You just need to remove this first. And all the covers are all washable as well.
Is it comfy?
Yeah, okay, put out some of these. Maybe you should have a try on the couch.
Oh,
Oh, there's a camera. In your bed, it takes up less room. Come on, folding chair.
wow. It's possibly the biggest bull bar I think I've ever seen. The size of Andy's just comes up to the wing mirrors. Bumped into Ben. Now Ben is the owner, the mastermind, even some would say, behind Explore All. So they've got, I mean, every year it seems, mate, you get a bigger and bigger stand here.
Yeah,
So
the progression in business, I suppose.
progressing. What have you got here this year? Because it seems like you're really getting into a bit of everything at the minute.
Yeah, so we've populated some of the industry leaders in products because we want to continue to grow the business, but in brands that are reliable, that can support the business, that tick all the boxes for the customers, all the wanted brands, trusted brands, warrantable brands that are nationally covered. So trying to populate that shopping list that'll tick every box for everyone so they can have a full complete build from us now, instead of just they're a tray company or they do a bash plate or they do a phone holder. We can do our 78 series internal fit outs, we can do or in wood and alloy, they've done the development of the tanks, so the water tanks for the 78 series, the side exit for the new 2.8, TVM upgrades, track correction rear ends.
I'm just looking behind you, you got wheels now as well.
Wheels, yeah, so we're aligned we're Queensland's importer for Evo course wheels now.
Yeah.
I've always trusted King's wheels on my car from day one, so natural. I went to King's. Loaded wheels because TVM approved. We get the chance of some of the higher load rated tyres through the Federal brand, but we've also got Nitto grapplers, Toyos, trying to get a few other tyre brands like some of the more popular tyre brands too.
Yeah, and then I noticed both of the cruisers, the trippies here of Headspace campers on the top.
So we've got a relationship with Headspace. We do some production with them on a couple of components. There's some new components coming out soon. The roof racks that we do for Headspace. But we've also done a couple of deals internally, so we're going to offer Unwind Designs wood internal fit outs for the troop carriers. We've got our aluminium one developed.
Yeah.
So we'll be cutting them for the white retro cruiser and the unseen cruiser. So we'll be doing that on
the retro cruiser looks cool. I haven't seen it before. That looks really nice.
There's been a lot of attention on it. I mean, obviously the blue cruiser got sold yesterday, which
did it? Yeah, happy days.
So that was. So Johnny's fairly happy about that.
He's happy with that. And then knives as well.
Oh yeah, we took knives from a Brazilian company called Divala, and I was always skeptical because you see a knife and you see all these nice reels and whatever else, and you think, oh yeah, look good, but how good are they? He cut an anvil. He was cutting nails yesterday with a knife. He's cut an anvil accidentally with a knife. They're ridiculous. I've been cutting iron bark and I slipped and I hit my cast iron fire pit with my one. My one's up on the top, all engraved. Took a chunk out of my fire pit, a cast iron fire pit, took a chunk out. And it hasn't damaged the blade. It's like ridiculous. So obviously we aligned with them.
D-Wiz as well?
The cheapest option for a full complete axle replacement, but there's a wide stance package available, there's a track correction package available, all GVM approved. We align with the EFS, and D-Wiz and EFS have a long relationship, a good stand relationship, so naturally we took EFS's suspension. The products that we've been fitting so far are all the top of the range ones from EFS.
So you can retrofit these into an older cruiser, or or you can do pre-rego,
SSM. So we've got an SSM car at the minute that's just been federally approved. So that's pre-regoed, GVM'd through us in-house.
And they're up to like 4 ton-ish, is it?
42 in the big cruisers, 41, 35 I think in 300 series. Yeah. We've got 78 to a 3950. Some of the older cruisers, I think your one, I think we can get a 3950 in. The J7s, we can get a 42 in.
Wow. The upshot of this is anything that you want. Like, if you want a complete build, like I've got your head unit, which is amazing. You've still got the bash plates, you've still got all the underbody protection.
I don't think we've got any products yet.
So you've still got everything, but now you're building cars, you're putting suspension, you're doing diffs.
Yeah, wheels, tyres.
Keep an eye out for us, Explore Us, because these fellas, I'm not just saying this, because Ben isn't made of mine, but he actually builds everything himself, and it's built here in Australia, and I love the quality of your work, Matt.
Yeah,
well done.
Thank you.
So this blade have 2 sections. One is more an axle, and this is the reason you can cut everything that you want in this part. It's not sharp enough, but it's strong enough to cut through a nail. The bait's still perfect. I cut more than 50 nails in the last 3 days with this knife, and that's it. It's a pretty nice job.
I reckon. All right, we've been to the show. That's kind of it. There's a lot of caravans here this year, which is probably not right in our wheelhouse at the minute. We're not kind of that interested in caravans, but heaps here if you're interested in all that sort of stuff. Explore All stand was good. We just actually picked up the double blow-up sofa lounge, so I'm excited to see how that goes. But apart from that, Cleveland show done and dusted for another year. Do make sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.